In a world where uncertainty looms, one mustn't merely survive, one must thrive. Presenting the Billionaires Bunker, your fortress of opulence and ultimate sanctuary in the face of any apocalyptic storm. Security isn't just a feature, it's a lifestyle. Our entrance is fortified with biometric scanners, laser security, and a retinal recognition system, because when the end of the world knocks,
only the chosen few enter.
Step inside, where luxury meets fortification. The walls aren't just walls, they're a blend of reinforced concrete and cutting-edge technology. Your refuge is a masterpiece, designed to withstand anything. Our living rooms boast bulletproof windows with panoramic views of the chaos, because you deserve to witness the end in style. The furniture, self-repairing, because who has time for a handyman during an apocalypse? The kitchen is stocked with gourmet, long-lasting delicacies that defy the decay of time. Our chefs are prepared to create culinary masterpieces, even when the world outside crumbles. Rest easy in a bedroom. It's not